In this video, we're going to check out the AutoOne jump starter with air compressor, so let's pump it up, baby. Hey guys, this is Josh with OXMAN DIY. Make sure you like and subscribe if you want to see more tool review content just like this. So in today's video, we're going to be unboxing and doing an honest review of the AutoOne jump starter with air compressor. Alright, so today we're unboxing the AutoOne 10,000 amp jump starter with air compressor. This retails for $199.99, but if you use my discount code for 15% off, you can save some cash. That'll be a link in the description, so make sure you check it out. This has a 30-day return or exchange policy. It comes with a 2-year warranty. This sports a lithium-ion battery. And like I said, 10,000 amps. This is for 12-volt vehicles for gas and diesel. This weighs about 1.3 pounds. Has a 48-month standby. This is a 60-watt fast charge for all your devices, cell phone, laptops, tablets. And that air compressor puts out 68 liters per minute, which is pretty impressive. And then it has a very bright LED with a strobe and an SOS, so you can alert anybody. Alright, so we're going to check out everything on the table. So first and foremost, you get this really nice carrying case. Comes with all the compartments in there. Keeps it all nice and safe when you're having it stored away. Next, we have the actual unit itself. And as you can see, it's a really nice, sturdy plastic. It's got this little carrying case, so if you need to carry it. And it's got the name brand right on there. It's got this nice heads-up display right here. Just nicely well constructed. Next, you're going to get the manual or the quick start guide. And this is going to have everything in here to show you how to operate this unit. Comes with a USB C double-ended connection cord. This is the jumper cable connection right here. Then you're going to get the air compressor hose right here. This is the threaded end right here. You're going to get some air attachments, you know, soccer balls or something else. And then you're going to get a second cord. This is going to be USB-A to USB-C. Alright, so we're going to start using the air compressor. And this is a soccer ball that we've got right here. And this is actually kind of flat. So we're going to put some air in this. So what we want to do is we want to connect the air hose to our AutoOne. Don't want to over tighten this because the threads are really fine. Alright, so then in our kits we're going to get our little baggie of attachments, and we want to get a little pin. We just want to put it in there, clamp it down. Alright, so we're going to turn it on. So power button, and we're going to get the heads up display. So you want to go to the M and switch the M. This is the manual button. So we have car, I think that's a bicycle. No, that was a motorcycle. Now it's a bicycle. Now this is sports balls. So if you look on a soccer ball, it should tell you what the recommended pressure. So this is 7 to 10. So we are going to do 9. So to get the desired pressure, you want to use the minus or plus sign, so we want to go to 9. So we go to 9, okay? So we take the pin, stick it in the hole, and then we hit the power button. Take the pin out. We're now inflated to 9 PSI, so this is a lot better. All right, so the kit comes with 3 other attachments as well. Here's a O-ringed attachment for an air hose. Here is a narrow cone right here if you need to get into crevices to blow out some debris or dust out of something. And then here is more of a wider cone. So here's all the attachments for the air compressor. All right, so if you're going to work this on a bicycle, it's going to be the same thing like the sport ball. We're going to hit the power button. You're going to get your heads up display. You're going to go from car or motorcycle and then to bicycle. You're going to get your desired pressure. Okay, then you're going to hook it up to the tire, whatever the max inflation is. You just want to be like 5 or 10 psi under, and then you just hit your pump to that desired pressure, and it'll go and tell you. All right, so now we're gonna do a car tire, and this is gonna be the same as the motorcycle and obviously the same as a bicycle tire. So we're gonna hit that power button, hold it down until that heads up display comes on and illuminates, and we're either gonna choose car or motorcycle. We're then going to unplug the air spigot cap. We're gonna plug this guy in. Okay. And it tells us right now it's at 33 psi. All right, so if you look at the heads-up display, it tells you the pressure in the tire on the top at 34 psi, and we want 36. So we go ahead and press the power button. And it's going to stop right at your desired pressure. So now we're at 36 psi, and typically you want to be under the max pressure. I probably want to be a little bit under that because once you start driving your car or motorcycle or even bicycle, if you're going on a long trip, the tire will start to heat up and then your pressure will raise a little bit. So you never want to go over the max pressure recommendation. All right, so the next feature on our AutoOne air compressor and jump starter is the light feature. So to use that, you want to hit the power button until the heads up display comes on. Okay, and then right here in the corner is the flashlight. So your first setting is this really bright LED. So if you are stranded on the side of the road and it's really dark outside, this would make a great flashlight. And considering that this is a lithium jumper, this flashlight is going to last forever. Okay, so if you hit the button one more time, it's going to be a strobe. So if you need to get someone's attention, you're having an emergency and you need to get someone's attention really quick, that is going to work. Oh, that's really bright. And then your third option, I believe this is SOS. It's a red flashing illumination. I believe that is SOS. So if you are in big trouble and you have an emergency, this would be very helpful. And like I said, this is a lithium battery, and at full battery life, this little light is going to last forever. And then if you hit it again, it turns it off. All right, so this is also great for charging any devices. If you look right up here to this silicone flap right here, there'll be a USB-A and a USB-C. The kit comes with a USB-C to C male connections. So if you need to charge your cell phone, tablet, or devices, you can do that. So you want to hit the power button to turn it on. And then right away you'll see starting to charge the device. So very nice little feature with this. On a fully charged battery, you should be able to charge a lot of your devices. All right, so next we're going to use the jumper, and to access the port, there's a little flap right here above the carrying handle that you're going to have. And then this is the jumper cables with the connection. The connection is going to go right in here. And then you're going to see a little green light illuminate to let you know that you are on there. All right, so once you have the battery terminal connection hooked up to the AutoOne jumper, you then want to connect to the positive and the negative terminal. Once you do that, you want to start your vehicle within 30 seconds, and then your vehicle should start. So you want to make sure that this is fully charged, okay? So once the car starts, go ahead. The first thing you want to do, just go ahead and disconnect the jumper from the AutoOne jumper, just like that. And then you can safely remove both of the jumper cables. So this little jumper right here on the back, it tells you if it's connected correctly, it'll be an illuminated little green light inside of here. If this is not correctly on there, so you accidentally put the negative clamp on the positive terminal and your positive clamp on the negative terminal, so reverse polarity, you'll get a loud beeping sound that sounds like this. And then you'll also get a red light that illuminates inside of here to let you know that it is wrong. All right, so make sure you're checking out your quick guide. Has all of the instructions that you need to be aware of. And in the very back, there's going to be a troubleshooting guide, gives you all the error codes, lets you know if something is not right, you should check this out first. Make sure you're storing your jumper in a cool environment. You don't want to store this in your car when it's going to be hot all the time. If you're in a hot climate, you want to be able to take this out. It does have a lithium battery in here. You need to be careful that this does not get punctured or damaged, because lithium batteries will start a fire if they are punctured or if they're penetrated. So you just want to be careful with that and cognizant of your environment. Just a lot of precautions on the back, and then it shows you the warranty and the disclaimer. So make sure you're checking out the quick guide. All right, guys, we're gonna wrap up this video with an honest review, and I'm gonna give this a 5 out of 5 stars. I really like this product from AutoOne. This jumper cable is gonna be great for those situations where if you have a dead battery, or if you need the compressor to fill a flat tire, or if you have some sports equipment, or if you need to charge those devices, this would be great on a road trip or going camping. So we're gonna wrap up this video. If you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It helps me out a lot. Think about subscribing to OXMAN DIY. If you wanna see more tool review videos just like this, if you guys have any comments or questions, comment down below. I'll answer them the best I can. We'll catch you guys on the next one. This is Josh with OXMAN DIY.